we're well on our way to get this Vega resurrected. And I've already got a Peterson Fluid Systems oil filter relocation kit. And I really loved it. I love the huge oil filter that it takes. And they also sell this one. It's the same one. It takes this massive filter. It holds like 1.5 quarts of fluid, which is awesome. And then this one has a priming system built into it, so I can use my drill and I can prime the engine before I start it, which is cool because last time we dynoed this engine before we ran it, and this time it was just freshened and it has not been primed yet. So I will be able to use this to prime it now for the first start, and anytime after I pull it out of storage after it's been sitting for a while, I can use the primer as well, which is really neat, I think, and I can't wait to get it installed. I've already got half of my AN line ran. I ran it down to the bottom of the oil pan, or the side of the oil pan, I should say, so I have a good sump to run from because it needs its own oil supply. And then I'll be able to retain these 2 oil lines that are already ran. I'll be able to set it all up. So I'm gonna put it on real quick and see what it looks like. Getting ready to get my 71 Vega back running again. Shout out to Peterson Fluid Systems. They sell a really badass oil filter relocation kit. We just got this engine freshened, just got it together, and it has not been run yet. So it was really cool to get one that has the primer built in. It's also great if this engine's gonna sit for a long time between running. This is the one I had before. It's very similar, but does not have the oil primer built on. So it's a really cool piece. Really glad to have it on the car here. We're gonna get it primed up. I just topped off the antifreeze. We're getting ready to hopefully start this for the first time in a long time. And yeah, be back to the glory days of a blown Vega street car. And yeah, those are the good days. Woo! 60 whatever freaking pounds. Hell yeah. Try again. The definition of a daily driver, you know. Pretty good in all weather. Got the drag radials on the back. Send this fucker down to anything, including a dirt road or a snowy road.